Quit. Don't you get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
As long as you lift it from behind, you're good.
I'm trying to help you out.
Yeah, just get it off.
Police department, search warrant.
I need you to grab something for me. Attack! Attack!
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh! Oh, don't tear his ACL.
Oh, no. La policía, no.
Dad, pulled over a car. No drugs. Got me out. Got drugs. This suspect. End report.
Oh, boy, I grabbed that gear.